Hi everyone. Today I will be making the easiest yet delicious rice pulao with egg. If you are a vegetarian, you can still try this recipe by just skipping egg. The recipe is for serving 2 people. Before we actually start with the recipe, let's chop and keep the ingredients ready. First we will need 1 medium sized onion. Slice it or finely chop it as you prefer. Then we need 3 green chilies. You can reduce it to 2, but as we will not use red chili powder, adjust the green chili as per your need. Take 1 peeled potato, dice it into small cubes. Similarly, take 1 carrot and chop it into small pieces. There is no strict rule regarding the vegetables you want to use or how you cut it. Just make sure it is all cooked properly in the end. Now we will crush 8 to 9 garlic, 1 inch ginger. Okay, now we have everything ready with us. I will be using carrot, potato, frozen corn, soya chunks which I have soaked in hot water for 2 hours. Then I have 1 cup paneer which I have cut into smaller pieces, and we will be frying it later before adding to the pulao. And finally, boiled eggs. Also the green chilies and sliced onions, and we are all set. In a pan, take 2 spoon oil, add jeera or shahi jeera, let it splutter. Do add few whole pepper and 1 bay leaf. I added later, but you can add at this point. Then add the crushed ginger and garlic, saute well. Add the green chilies and onions. You can add a little salt at this point to fasten the cooking of onions. Saute on high flame for 2 minutes. Then add chopped potatoes, mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in another pan, add a little oil and then put the paneer pieces. Add a little salt and mix well. Let it simmer till at least one side becomes little brown. Mix well and take it off the stove. Browning on one side will ensure the paneer doesn't break when we add it to the rice, nor it will be too hard to eat. Check the pan with vegetables in between. Mix well to ensure the vegetables don't stick to the bottom and get burnt. And rest of the ingredients such as carrot, corn and soya chunk can be added at this point. Just add a little salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala. That's it. Now mix everything well. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Once everything is half cooked, add washed rice and saute on high flame for 1 minute. I am using Jeeragashala rice here. I washed it and drained it. As the cooking time is less for this rice, I didn't soak it and I have used 1 cup of rice for 2 people. Now I am adding 2 cups of boiled water. Along with the boiled and peeled egg and fried paneer. At this point, just check the salt. If required, add salt that is needed for rice too. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 13 to 15 minutes. The cooking time of rice will depend on the type of rice you are taking. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix everything just to ensure the rice does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Cover and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on lowest flame, then take it off the stove. You can leave it for another 5 minutes and then serve it with any raita or just plain curd. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments. This is the easiest pulao you can make using any vegetable available at your home. You can add roasted dry fruits or even roasted peanuts to garnish and make it more wholesome. Do try and let me know which all vegetables you added to your pulao recipe. Stay healthy and be safe. Hope you liked today's video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.